Have you ever had a big dream? Maybe you imagine a successful future, a better life, more freedom, more respect. But when it's time to act, you say, "I'll start tomorrow." Then tomorrow becomes next week, next month, and nothing changes. If you have ever felt stuck between ambition and laziness, this story is for you. It may change the way you see your life. In a quiet Chinese village, surrounded by bamboo forests, green rice fields, and misty mountains, there lived a young man named Wei. Wei was 26 years old, strong, intelligent, and full of dreams. He often told his friends, "One day I will become the most successful farmer in this region. My fields will be famous. People will come to learn from me." The villagers admired his confidence. But there was a problem. Wei loved dreaming more than doing. Every morning, while others worked in the fields, Wei stayed in bed. When farmers worked under the sun, he sat under a tree, talking about success. Whenever someone asked when he would start, he always said, "Soon. There is time." Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. Nothing changed. His land stayed empty while his dreams grew bigger. One evening, an old farmer named Master Chen visited him. Master Chen was respected for his wisdom. He looked at Wei's empty field. The soil was rich, but nothing was growing. He asked, "Why is your land still empty?" Wei smiled. "Don't worry, I will start tomorrow." The old man had heard this many times before. Without a word, he took out 2 small seed pouches. "These are special seeds," he said. "One is the seed of purpose. If you care for it, it will grow into a strong tree that brings success. The other is the seed of delay. It grows fast but destroys everything around it." He placed both seeds in Wei's hands. "The future of your field depends on which one you feed." Wei said confidently, "I will choose success." But the next morning, he delayed. "I'll plant them tomorrow," he said. Days passed. Eventually, he planted both seeds carelessly and forgot about them. He continued sleeping, talking, and dreaming. Months later, he returned to the field. He was shocked. The seed of delay had spread everywhere. Thick weeds covered the land. The seed of purpose was weak and almost dying. At that moment, Master Chen returned. He looked at the field and said, "Do you understand now?" He pointed at the weak plant. "Purpose needs daily care. Without effort, it dies." Then he pointed at the weeds. "But delay grows on its own. Ignore it, and it takes over everything." Wei finally understood. His problem was not lack of dreams, it was lack of action. That night, he couldn't sleep. At sunrise, he went to the field and pulled weeds with his bare hands. It was hard. His hands hurt. His back ached. But he didn't stop. Slowly, he cared for the seed of purpose every day. Weeks turned into months. Months turned into years. The seed grew into a strong tree that gave fruit, shade, and wealth. And Wei changed too. He became known as a hard-working man in the village. Whenever asked about success, he said, "Every dream is a seed. You must water it daily." This story is not just about farming, it is about life. Inside every person are 2 seeds, purpose and delay. Purpose grows with action. Delay grows with inaction. Every day you choose which one wins. So don't wait. Start today. Take one step, because your future depends on what you do now, not tomorrow.